So we're with James, and James is going to show us some of the DIY stuff. Okay. So let's start off with some power supplies.
Okay, sure. I'm James, Power Supply Product Manager. So first, we have RME with Thermal Protect series. We're bundling the RME 850 watt and 1000 watt with the Thermal Protect cable that we launched in April. So it is a simple over temperature protection built into the Turbo 2x6 to ease the market's concern on the melting.
So this will be compatible with all the power supplies?
Universal to all power supplies, not including not just Corsairs.
Corsairs. Oh, right. So, okay, cool.
Yep.
And you sell them separately, obviously?
Yes, sell separately. Already available in April.
So the RM1000.
Yep. So it will be bundled with RM1000E and RM850E in August.
Right, and that's the 12000E.
Yeah, for
RM1200E.
So we also have protection on the Turbo 2x6. We call it Pin Protect. So it monitors the 6 individual pin of the Turbo 2x6 connector. So once the current exceeds the threshold, it will cut off the sense wire to prompt GPU shutdown to protect your precious GPU. So
and you got the big piece here, the 1600.
Yeah, 1600 I shift. So in this generation, we're making it shift design to make it better for cable management.
Oh, it's the microfit, yeah?
Yeah, microfit, and also 2 Turbo 2x6 to support simultaneous operation of 2 5090s.
Yeah,
we got IQ Link.
IQ Link built in?
Yes, you can use IQ Link to connect to your motherboard or use a USB. It also includes a self-test button, so you can test it before you actually start your build.
Nice.
So this generation, we use a lot of gallium nitride components.
Right.
So it shrunk the size by 15%.
Yeah.
Previously, it was 200 millimeter. It's now 170 millimeters. One of the most compact.
It is pretty compact for a 1600 watt, because normally ones I've seen are this big, right?
Yes.
So not bad at all, actually.
Yeah.
Are these available on the market right now, or?
It's going to be available in Q4.
Q4.
So what's big about our HX1000i shift is, of course, it's a digital power supply. You can monitor all the stats in IQ, set the cooling, set the fan speed, and also biggest thing about this is it can customize per turbo rail. OCP in the IQ.
Right, so you can monitor your 12 rails, all the amperages on there.
Yeah,
and
for example, for Turbo 2x6, you can set it between like the lower amperage or a higher amperage if you want to be like super
overclocking, or you want to do some heavy workloads on your system.
If you're going overclocking, maybe you should swap to single OCP. So last but not least, we got HXI Shift Crystal. So it got its name Crystal because it got 3-size transparent window. RGB LED fan, you can customize its lighting and fan just like any other IQ Link devices. And you can tell we have Corsair custom-made capacitors on both sides of the panel.
Right.
Yeah.
I noticed the PCB is even white as well.
Yes. We designed it white internal. So it is, you can see through. We are not hiding anything. You can even see the brands, the components that we're using.
And all that kind of stuff,
because we're very confident in our design capability. So for any of our HXI chip family, we built in the IQ Link system hub in it, so you don't have to buy separate hub and use up PCIe 8-pin for it. So what's big about this power supply is it's not only beautiful, it's also protecting your GPU.
Yeah. So this is the HX1000i Shift, the crystal casing.
It has the Pin Protect Plus. So we briefly go through the Pin Protect on ARM1200E. This one has advanced version with a plus.
Yeah.
So you can monitor the current in real time on IQ, set the current threshold and the delay time between notification to actual shutdown.
Yeah.
Keep track of the event log. So it is very powerful PSU.